Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 6 September, Pakistan Defense Day. I am Ismadia from Beria College, Hanif. Honorable Principal, respectable teachers, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is Indo-Pak War of 1965. India committed an open aggression against Pakistan to materialize its expansionist intention and attack Pakistan on the night of 6 September. India launched three-sided attack from Wagah, Burki, and Kasur on Lahore with dawn on 6 September 1965. The daring soldiers of Pakistan not only repelled the Indian advancement but also did not let the enemy cross BRB Canal. On this very front, Major Aziz Bhatti continued resisting Indian advancement for several days. At last, he was blessed with martyrdom. The government of Pakistan awarded him with Nishan-e-Haider on his gallantry. जब तक ना जले दीप शहीदों के लहू से, जब तक ना जले दीप शहीदों के लहू से, कहते हैं कि जन्नत में चिरागा नहीं होता. Although Pakistan had far less military and economic resources as compared to those of India, yet the armed forces of Pakistan, filled with spirit of jihad, forced an enemy many times bigger than it to face a humiliated defeat. The people donated blood for their brothers who were fighting against the enemy. From a street person to high official, labor, businessmen, Pakistani artists, through their art, encouraged their soldiers. Pakistan Navy remained fully alert during this war. Our Navy destroyed famous Indian naval base Dwarka on the coast of Kathiawar and did a heroic achievement when the India launched a sudden attack on a unit of Pak Navy. When India launched many airstrikes to hit the Pak air base of Sargodha, but failed in its every attempt, squadron leader M.M. Alam set a new world record by shooting down 5 Indian planes at Lahore in just one battle. The September 1965 war lasted for 17 days. Pakistan was established against the wishes of Hindus, so they never accepted Pakistan from the bottom of their hearts. The role of women in Pakistan. Women have become an important part of Pakistani society in professional careers and professional life. Women are still facing great difficulties, gender discrimination in professional, but there's some examples who give strength to come forward and do something good for country. One of the examples we have, Muhammad Fatma Ali Jinnah, plays an important role in movement of Pakistan. Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto was the first woman elected to lead a Muslim state. Women of Pakistan are greatly contributing their parts in struggling for the prosperity of nation in every field. For example, forces, games, parachuter, art, handiwork, and so on. Our religion, Islam, allows women to get education even for the employment as well. Women who give birth a man, this great quality is a gift of God. For woman only, she makes a society through his upbringing and worthless services for their children. छह सितंबर यौम दिफा. दुश्मन की निगाहों को हम उठने से पहले झुका दें. दुश्मन की निगाहों को हम उठने से पहले झुका दें. कमजोर जो हमको समझे उसे अमन की राह दिखा दें. शुक्रिया.